video, I'll be sharing 5 most powerful strategies to attract customers. These strategies are proven because I personally used it in my business since 2018. If you think your strategies aren't, up to the mark, then just grab a pen and a paper and let's dive in together. Address the problem of the prospect, not the product or service. Is there something that you can offer to your prospect? Let it be your knowledge, your skills, your product, or your service. For example, you're watching this video because it is helping you to solve your problem. Ask them their problem that made them connect with you. So last year, my client asked me if I can help him growing his audience on Twitter, and I instantly said yes. But clearly, I knew somewhere that, that was not my specialty. But I wanted to be a yes man. Just because I'm getting some project, I wanted to say yes and earn money. And after a few weeks, we realized that we were not a good fit for that particular project. And I had to kind of, say that I'll not be able to help you. So rather than ending it in bad terms, make sure or take the leads or take the contracts only and only if you can do it. Or if you have the capability to learn that and get it done. If you think you can offer them with a solution, then go ahead and do it. If not, guide them in the right direction. I always think that if a person connects with you, even if you're not able to serve them, they'll remember you always and they'll come back to you when they need you. Or they will recommend you to their friends, their colleagues, etc. Word of mouth is most important. So you have to build a relationship no matter how effective that lead can turn out to be or how powerful that lead can turn out to be. Show your prospects the sample and offer them free stuff. Everyone loves free stuff, right? I mean, if I go to a restaurant and they give me a free dessert, wow, they have won me as a customer for lifelong. And I'll go out and tell it to my 5 other friends because they're doing something. They're going that extra mile to keep their customers happy. Marketing is not always about spending money to get leads. At times, marketing also means to giving out some real valuable information to get the customer or to get the prospect. Offer something that you can provide in your business. In my virtual assistant business, I provide 4 hours of free probation period where we get to learn each other's working style and see if we are a good fit or not. And it's completely free. This allows me to understand if I personally want to work with the client and vice versa. Offer something that is valuable. If you're a coach, offer a 1 hour of free, brainstorming session. If you're a property manager, offer a discount. If you are, let's say, an entrepreneur, offer a free PDF that has a lot of good information. But always make sure that if you are offering something, it should be worth it. Just because it is free, it shouldn't be some general Google copy-paste stuff. This is the time to show off to your prospect. They don't want to hear about your product or the service you offer. They want to see the promise you made and how the outcome was. They want to connect with you and they want to create a credibility with you. So rather than just bragging about how good your service is, how about you create testimonial videos? I personally closed a few clients just because they saw that my profile is credible. They saw the videos. They saw my efforts. They saw the work I've done. That made them believe in me. And I think that it is very important for you to record a video or ask testimonies from your clients. It's not bad. It's definitely not bad. You have to do that. You have to go that extra mile so that your prospects kind of build trust with you. Share a story of a similar customer and how the fears and how you help them to bridge the gap between the fears and frustration they had and the solution that you have given to them, right? Leverage social media. If you're a B2B business, use tools like LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, and if you're a B2C business where your main focus is to find customers, use tools like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. I mean, create your presence, because I think that it is impossible to build your brand if you don't have any social media presence. I mean, it's so important. Sorry to tell you again and again, but it is very important. Recently, I leveraged my current connections on LinkedIn. I have around 5,000 connections. I just, you can watch the video, it will be in the description below. But, social media is the king. Tomorrow, it's like social media. I can't, brag enough about how social media is important in your business. So yeah, I get maximum of my business from LinkedIn because I target B2B. My company is B2B and I target business owners, entrepreneurs, but it is important. In short, LinkedIn is important. Important. LinkedIn is important. Connect with them on all social media platforms. I do here is that as soon as I get a lead, let it be from Facebook, let it be from Google, let it be from anywhere, I connect with the person on all my social media platforms: LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, everywhere. Because I think that it is very important for them to be connected with you, and for you to keep, when you keep posting stuff, you are indirectly you're indirectly marketing to them, even if they have not hired you for that particular service, but they know that you can do something of that sort. So it is very important to be connected with them. And what happens once you complete the contract, you are still connected with them on all platforms, so you can again chase them after a couple of months, after a couple of years, because if they have used you once, they can use you many other times. So yeah, I think these are the five most important strategies that is mandatory in every business, and I personally used it and it worked effectively. So guys, if you have any doubts, anything, ping me, message me, connect with me on LinkedIn and ask me, email it to me, or just leave a comment on YouTube section below. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and uh, please do like, subscribe my page, and I'll keep posting a lot of videos, informative videos and stuff. But yeah, thank you so much guys. Thank you so much, means a lot. Bye bye.